Okay, this is the reason why you have to put your emotions aside when you're doing stock market. Um, this is what I'm telling you. Just what I told you earlier on the other videos. We're doing a lot of different formations. Now, this is considered a crash. We're going through support. And I told you this is where I start making my money. So you have to be patient with the stock market. You see our line here where money is being extracted. And you see how it was leading up to it right here. So if you know what you're reading, uh, it'll reduce stress and it'll make you uh, make good decisions. Let's see what we got. Okay, we're making our money going down. And which way is it going? Okay, minus 2, minus 2. So what I wanted to do, and we had to hold on to our chart reading and our experiences. So I'm going to share my experiences with you so we can make that money and our families won't be suffering from somebody else's decision with our money. The jobs we have, uh, we really need a supplement because everybody is trying to make some type of adjustment. And all the time, most of the time it's not going to be to your favor, unfortunately. So if the wife or the husband's at home doing this while we, keep our day job, uh, this should be a no-brainer. You should be able to work at a job and get all your benefits that you need, your insurances and etc., and de-stress. And this is live. Let's see if I can blow it up a little bit. So right now, I'm going to see what kind of formation it does, and hopefully it doesn't go back up, which would be breaking through resistance if I need to sell my shares and uh, then find another what you call it, a formation where it tell me when to buy again. So y'all see how that works. I'm between a rock and a hard place because if it spikes down $1, a couple of dollars, I don't want to miss that. It's already down 36 cents. Okay, 5 cents. Okay, it came back up to resistance. Just hope it don't break through. And I'll ride this on down. If you hear any background noise, I am at home, so just ignore it. Subject hear the phone ring, telephone, somebody coughing, any kind of thing like that, but that's not going to stop us from doing what we have to do. And that's make money as the stock market go down. Just trying to create a bottom formation now. And I do have it set for 2 days. So this is yesterday and here's today. This is where they was all basically buying the stock from here to here. Now we got to set another trend. We need to be selling stock all day today. I'm sorry, it need to be falling all day, going down. It's dropping pretty good. I call that back of the ladder. This the front of the ladder you climbing. It takes a while to get up. On the back side of that ladder, there's no support. And you slide down. So that's why we favor the call or the puts. We do calls also, but puts is what we desire best. So we only have 400 shares, but if we had bought them at $20 a share at that time when we bought them, that had been a significant amount of money that we spent. But we only spent like 82 cents a share to control 400 shares. So we just watch it go down as we make money. You have to be patient. You have to read a chart. And like I say, you just got to know what side of the ladder you're on and just pay attention to what you're doing. It's okay. Yep, my wife asked me, was I recording? I already told y'all that I'm at the house, so you're started to hear anything going on. I'm waiting to hear some breakfast now. But this is the reason why we put this whole program together, and I've said it before. So you can do this at home, you could do it on the beach, you could do it wherever you have internet service. Um, I had monitored on my cell phone on 3G, so I know it can work for anybody. And that's really the good thing that you can work. You got your cell phone. You can work it on that. You can be anywhere and keep up with what's going on. So it's just easy step by step. It's actually boring after a while watching lines go up and down, but we know what we're looking at, so it's always a good thing to be able to know what you're doing. Okay, I want you to remember what I said about the Head and Shoulders. It really gives you a good um, view of things. So you see how this Head and Shoulders, uh, just I start identifying your Head and Shoulders and seeing how they're shaped and getting the characteristics of the certain shapes that you see right here. And usually after a Head and Shoulders or a triple top, that stock wants to fall pretty deep. So this might be one of those things here. It's going on now. Hadn't recovered yet. So that's basically head and shoulder, a little faint shoulder right there. But it's not. Then we started another one here to here. And we might be getting another head and shoulders here. Looks like it's just sliding down the side of a mountain. Or the back side of the ladder. It looks like it's creating another head and shoulders going down. This would be a catastrophe for someone that's trying to make money while the stock market is going up. That's what most of us are used to. But forget whatever you heard about the stock market. Most people want to scare you away from it anyway, especially one that's making money with it. So it's for the average person. You can train your children. You have a free account that they can work in as far as your virtual trading. Start another formation right here. Keep looking for support. Looks like this, but it's not finding it. It's actually, they're dumping the stock. Remember, we started this morning right here and went all around the mountain and came on back. Came off of support, pushed his way up, came back down the side of a head and shoulders. We caught that head and shoulders, just kind of hard to recover. So just keeps creating head and shoulders, head and shoulders. It's trying to go on down a little bit more. It looked like it created a what? Head and shoulders. This favors that. It's creeping on down. It's still going down. This might be a pretty good day. Remember, we're trying to average $100 a day first. So with just a little bit of money, not even cracking $1,000 to make that money. Can you get that kind of interest in the bank? I don't think so. And that's what 401ks do. They take your money to fund their account, and they do the trades. Like I said, this is boring, but this is boring. Well, we're down in the $16 digits. That's where we want to be. That's how you're making your money now. Fast. Look, the further it go down, the more money we make on our puts. So we just keep our eyes on it. I am having to pause in between. So, but if you look real close, you can see it move. I think I even blow it up a little more. So you can really see your stocks moving. We'll be having different bonuses in this. One of them is we have a ranking page. It's in the bottom of each one of the pages in MyDebtCure.com. And that's basically where we get our training from. All this information will be in that page somewhere. So each time you upgrade, there's a different degree of information that will help you to become debt free. And we're not asking you for $5,000 or $10,000 to learn what we're doing. We're basically just creating a group of people that's wanting to get the bills paid. You can all the packages that we have doesn't even add up to $1,500, and you don't even need all those packages to start doing this. So you should be able to get your account up and running and learn how to trade, at least with the first two levels that we have, which is the $27 level, and we also have the $135 level. And you should make that back in 1 week. With a minimum amount of money. And also you make money by just referring people to this to buy the packages, and you get 100% return. Well, not 100% return, but you get 100% of the package cost, minus the admin fee. And the admin fee, just kind of just look at it like hosting your site to make sure that you have a place to do business and to share with friends and family and enemies. Yeah, we don't mind. So it's going down again. It's like going down 26 cents times 400. That's how you can kind of calculate how much money you're making. So we're just working off of 400 shares, which we purchased them for less than $1. And we'll show you the same. You make the same type of money if you had bought the stock itself. And the stock value is gone down to $16.96. So as the value drops, you make money. Okay, we're now entered into a narrow range. That's what this is, going across, not necessarily down. Okay. Pretty much straight across. It create another support line right here. So we bouncing around top of that support line. So what we want this to do is to come down here. Alright, so we'll wait on that, and